how to use the blind hem foot, which is this one you'll find in your accessory tools. So you just need to change your foot on the machine. You'll use this button to drop your foot. Just press it and it'll drop it, and then put down your foot to catch the other one and press it again, and there you go. So what you're gonna need is you need to iron in your hem, the hem of your garment. So you can use this on pants, skirts, and this is perfect to use on curtains. Alright, so you're gonna fold away the bulk of your fabric, and then you're gonna use stitch length F for this one, which is we're gonna twist right here, F, and then stitch length 1.5. Is that perfect? Let's just see. All right. And then what you're gonna do is put down your foot, and then so it's going to be a little a big zigzag and a straight stitch. So the big zigzag should just take the nip of your fabric on the edge there, and then you can just start.
And you'll see there's a white part there that nicely guides your fabric for you, so you don't have to worry about going straight. You just hold your fold against that white part there, and it will be perfect.
Lift up your foot, bring your needle up and cut that, and open this up, and this is how you do your blind hem.
Perfect, eh?
Yes,
Looks really nice.
like it. And that's it.